10 ways to make impressive passive income? Welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing the top 10 ways to make impressive passive income. Looking to earn passive income? Consider dividend investing. Companies thrive, your earnings grow without extra effort. Another way is peer-to-peer lending. Lend money, earn interest, build a diversified portfolio for consistent returns. Invest in rental properties. Become a landlord, earn rental income each month for financial stability. Monetize your online presence with affiliate marketing. Promote products, earn commissions, and create ongoing income. Create and sell online courses. Earn passive income from student enrollments with minimal effort. Choose high-yield savings accounts for more passive income. Earn more on your savings without riskier investments. Sell digital products repeatedly without additional costs. Ebooks, stock photos, and music are excellent sources. Develop a mobile app for passive income. Generate revenue through advertisements, in-app purchases, and subscriptions. Passively invest in diversified assets with index funds and ETFs. Ideal for long-term investing with low fees. Rent out your assets for passive income. Rent your car, extra space, or photography equipment.